Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add work. Sign into Behance with your Adobe ID and open your profile. Once logged in, click the Create Project button to begin. Prepare assets first, high-res images, exported PDFs, and short clips, because uploading is faster when organized. Make sure to name folders clearly and choose a logical order. Cover image, project description, process shots, then final images. This initial structure helps viewers scan your work quickly and boosts engagement. Now build the project step by step. Select a strong cover image that represents the work, then upload your images in sequence so the narrative flows. Once uploaded, add descriptive text blocks that explain the concept, ideation, and execution. This helps clients understand your decisions. Embed multimedia, video, or prototypes where relevant and use image grids to show iterations. Remember to fill tags, tools, and credits. They improve discoverability and give proper attribution to finish by previewing the project to verify layout, text wrapping, and mobile appearance. Once satisfied, choose visibility, public to share broadly, private to review, then click Publish. After publishing, share the link across platforms and update your profile's featured works to showcase it. If something goes wrong, images not uploading or layout breaking, make sure file sizes and formats meet requirements, clear cache or try another browser, and re-upload. This usually resolves upload or rendering errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.